Good day, everyone. I'm Raziel Mae Manza, together with my partner, Arly Louise Ocenar. So now we'll be talking about plumbing layout. So we have plumbing plan here with all the labels, pipe, fittings, and etc. We also have an isometric here and also a 3D for you to clearly understand and visualize the layout. So let's start. So first, we have our water line. So here in AutoCAD, the water line is color blue and in a broken line with symbols like GV or gate valve, WM or water meter, and the fittings. So this is our water line, the blue one. And this is the gate valve or GV. It is used to start or stop the flow of water in a pipe by lifting or lowering a gate within the valve. And this is our water meter or WM. So it is used to measure the amount of water consumed or used in a plumbing system. In cold areas, 2 lavatories have to be installed in washrooms for hot and cold water supply in 1/2-inch pipes. In case of hot water pipe installation, a hot water heater, refrigerator, and range are supplied with gas by way of a 3/4-inch pipe. So connected to here. This is an elbow fitting in 90°. And this is a TEE T fitting. It has 3 openings. And this is an elbow in 90°, connected to our kitchen sink or KS. So this pipe is 1 inch in diameter PVC pipe. Also connected to our lavatory or LAV. And to our water closet or WC. Also to our shower. So let's move on to the orange pipe or what we called drainage pipe. So in AutoCAD, this is our drainage pipe, the orange one with the fittings. So we'll start in this part. So this is called soil pipeline or SP for the kitchen waste. So this is an elbow in 90°, connected to an elbow in 90° to the Y fitting, WYE fitting. And this is an elbow in 45° connected to the P-trap. So it is necessary to use a P-trap in connecting kitchen sinks, lavatories, and other fixtures to prevent sewer gases from entering the living space and to trap debris that could cause clogs. Connected to our kitchen sink. Up to here, an elbow in 90° and a T fitting. So this pipe is 4 inches in diameter and a PVC pipe. Up to our VTR or vent through roof. So VTR lets air into the plumbing to keep water flowing smoothly and lets out bad gases safely. Down to here, and Y fitting, an elbow in 45°, and a P drop. Connected to our lavatory or LAV, down to here. So this is our clean out or CO. So it is a plumbing access point that allows you to clear blockages or debris from pipes. Connected to our water closet or WC, and to our floor drainage or FD. So the typical size for a floor drain pipe is 2 inches in diameter. However, it can vary depending on the building's plumbing requirements. So this is our clean out also or CO. And this is our soil pipeline or SP for our toilet waste. This pipe has a slope of 0.02 meter or 20 millimeter, connected to our septic vault or SB. And these are our manholes or MH. So inside the septic tank or septic vault, we have an inlet or in, and inside our septic vault or SV is this one. So in this part is digestive chamber, and in the middle one is leaching chamber, and in this part is filter chamber. So the leaching chamber should not be level to ensure that wastewater flows smoothly and doesn't accumulate, preventing blockages or backups in the system. So this is our outlet or out connected to our canal drainage. So this is our soil pipeline or SP for our toilet waste from septic vault to canal drainage. So this is our canal drainage. Next is these gray pipes. So this is what we call downspout or DS. So downspout is a vertical pipe that carries rainwater from the roof gutter down to the ground or drainage system. So down to here, our catch basin. It is a drainage system that collects water and debris from gutters or stormwater runoff to prevent clogs in the drainage pipes. So that's it. I hope you learned something from me. Thank you for watching. Bye-bye.